Hi guys, Ben here. Have you ever wondered how you can do better on your projects? Well, this video will provide you with an answer. Today we'll go over how to access and use NoodleTools. NoodleTools is a website designed for note organization and project management. NoodleTools gives you the ability to organize all your sources under one bibliography, and then it will automatically format your citations in whatever format you choose. These citation formats range from APA citations to MLA citations. You can also create notecards for whatever thoughts you may want to write down as well. You can access NoodleTools by first going to NoodleTools.com and then logging in through your CSV email. You can log in through the little Google icon down below on the left-hand corner as shown. We'll now demonstrate how to use NoodleTools. Make sure to follow along and listen carefully. I'll now demonstrate how to create a note card. It's simple. Press the new note card button. From there, you can create a title. We'll title ours Title Demo. If you want to copy and paste from an article, you can do it directly in here. Let's write a few sentences. Now that we've written in our direct quotation, we can paraphrase it in whatever way we want. Make sure to paraphrase whatever you're saying so that you don't plagiarize in whatever writing you're doing. And if you have your own ideas, then you can write them in the My Ideas button. Like shown. It's very simple how to use the note card feature. And if you want to cite your source, you can click up here. And if you want to organize it under a series of tags, you can just do hashtag, let's say library. And that's how you do it. Simple, guys. Okay, we'll move on from here into the to-do list. I'll now show you the to-do feature. It's a very simple feature which allows you to organize all your thoughts. Let's make our own to-do list right now. Complete project, simple title. Let's say Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Alright, we have our due date now. And what NoodleTools will automatically do is, when your due date happens, it'll send you an email saying to complete whatever you need to do, which is extremely helpful if you're running late on deadlines or if you need to get things done in an organized fashion. I'll now demonstrate the attachments folder. It's very simple. You have two ways of attaching a file. Here's how. You first press the new file button. From there, you can go to the select files from your device or do the web URL. From there, let's put in the URL. Let's call it Ukraine Justice. Just an example. What it'll do now is it'll save the link to that document and we can access it whenever we want. It's very helpful if you're trying to organize all your sources and you want to access them quickly. I'd like to thank all of you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.